Hey everyone, I'm Selena and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. If you're dreaming of restaurant-quality pizza right in your backyard, you're gonna love this. Today we're diving into the Gozney Roccbox outdoor pizza oven, a portable powerhouse that's perfect for pizza lovers and outdoor cooks. Stick around to see why this oven is a game changer, and don't forget to check the link in the description for the best deal. Let's talk about features. The Gozney Roccbox is a multi-fuel pizza oven that comes with a propane gas burner, but you can grab an optional wood burner for that authentic smoky flavor. It heats up to a scorching 950 degrees in just 20 to 30 minutes, cooking a perfect 12-inch Neapolitan-style pizza in about 60 seconds. The thick cordierite stone and heavy insulation keep the heat steady for consistent, crispy crusts. It's super portable, weighing about 50 pounds with foldable legs and a carrying strap so you can take it camping or to a friend's place. The Safe Touch silicone jacket makes it family-friendly by reducing burn risks, and it comes with a perforated pizza peel for easy launching. You also get a built-in thermometer for precise stone temperature, and this oven isn't just for pizza. You can roast, bake, or sear steaks and veggies too. Now the pros. This oven is a beast for performance. It delivers professional-grade pizzas with airy, charred crusts that rival your favorite pizzeria. Users love how easy it is to set up. No assembly needed, just plug in the gas and go. The portability is a huge win. One reviewer took it tailgating and cooked pizzas in minutes. The gas burner is reliable and beginner-friendly, while the wood burner adds that extra flavor for enthusiasts. It's built to last with a 5-year warranty, and the design looks sleek in any outdoor setup. There are a few cons, though. The wood burner is sold separately, which adds to the cost if you want dual fuel. Some users say the oven runs hot even on low, so you need to watch your pizza closely to avoid burning. It's also a bit heavier than some competitors like uni models, which might matter if you're moving it a lot. And deep dish pizzas can take longer to cook evenly with the gas burner. I recommend the Gozney Roccbox if you're a pizza enthusiast, love hosting backyard gatherings, or want a portable oven for outdoor adventures. Its ease of use and restaurant quality results make it ideal for beginners and pros alike. If you're tight on space or only want basic pizza making, a cheaper model might do, but for versatility and quality, this is tough to beat. If you're ready to fire up some epic pizzas, check out the Gozney Roccbox at the link in the description for the best pricing through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional deals you don't want to miss. If this review helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to Rick's Review Hub for more awesome gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's get cooking.